Hello friends, welcome to NEET Career. In this video we are going to talk about the Haryana State Counselling, particularly the cutoff for the private colleges, management quota and the government colleges for MBBS from Haryana. Management quota is open. Before we start with the major topics, if you are new here, please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon that you never miss any update. For the counseling guidance, you can call or message us on the given number. You can also join our WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description of the video. Now coming to the point, Haryana is open state. It has NRI quota, management quota, it has government colleges. For private medical colleges, anyone can apply. And the best part is many colleges are falling in the region of Delhi NCR like Faridabad, Gurugram, Kurukshetra. So you can get to stay nearby the Delhi NCR region. The tuition fee for different colleges. There is a minority medical colleges also, Alfala Medical College, Adesh Medical College, NC World, then SGT Medical College. So different options you have, and the tuition fee is not fixed for different colleges. The fee is different, starting from 21 to 21 lakhs, goes up to 40 lakhs also, depending on the branches. So now take a look at what is possible here in terms of cutoff. Radio diagnosis went up to 34,000. These are the cutoff up to third round for non-minority seats. Not minority seats. Minority seats cutoff would be going further down. Dermatology went up to 42,000. General surgery went up to 46,000. And whatever score you require is written on the right side. Pediatrics up to 47,000 rank. Orthopedics up to 70,000. OBGY up to 53,000. Respiratory medicine up to 58,000. General surgery up to 83,000. Psychiatry medicine up to 53,000. Ophthalmology up to 62,000. ENT same, and anesthesia the last closing rank was 96,000, approx 1 lakh. And even you have around 400 or 400 plus score, you can expect to get a clinical seat through Haryana State Counselling. Now take a look at the government college cutoff. The government college cutoff is on quite higher side because it is near NCR. So many candidates would having so much merit. Radio diagnosis just went up to 407. There are not many seats. There are not many colleges also. Dermatology up to 1700. Definitely taking a look at Haryana cutoff for the government colleges, you would feel that you have better options through All India Counselling. So accordingly you have to think, if your rank is better you can target good clinical subjects in Haryana, and there is no bond in Haryana in the government medical colleges. The last clinical subject just went up to 20,000. However, the same anesthesia goes up to around 28-30,000 through All India Counselling. Similarly, for BCA and BCD category, you can check the cutoff. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.